how do you pronounce this word in English? Well, if you're talking about British English, you would definitely say root. Root. So you use the long oo sound in words like shoe or who. Root rhymes with boot. However, if you're talking about US or American English, we say route, or we say root. So in the United States, it is a toss-up, which means some people say route and some people say root. Route rhymes with shout or pout. Which pronunciation should you use? If you want to get along with those crazy people in Britain, by all means say root. Otherwise, it doesn't matter. Say what you want, whatever sounds good to you. I honestly use both. Sometimes I say route, sometimes I say root. It is up to you which route to choose when deciding which pronunciation of root to use.